Wireless charging for your phone or watch is old news. Chinese researchers reckon the same idea could soon work for drones, mid-flight, recharged by nothing more than a beam of laser light. The team, led by Yuanha Han at the Civil Aviation University of China, built a lightweight receiver based on solar cell technology, but tuned specifically to capture laser light rather than sunlight. They fitted it to the underside of a drone's wing, shone a laser at it, and watched the propeller spin up, powered entirely by that beam. The tech itself is called a perovskite laser cell thermoelectric tandem device, perovskite being a crystal structure already prized in next-gen solar panels. One layer converts the laser's light directly into electricity. A second thermoelectric layer captures heat that would otherwise be wasted, turning the temperature gap between the hot laser-facing side and the cooler backside into even more usable power. Heat turned out to be the real villain here. Under a powerful laser, the device's surface hit 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, far hotter than expected, and hot enough to wreck the receiver's efficiency if left unchecked. Their fix was to embed specialised nanocrystals that conduct heat poorly on purpose, acting as an insulating barrier that slows the heat spreading through the device. Airflow from the drone's own propeller helped too, cooling the cold side and boosting performance further. Under a green laser, the system converted 38.49% of the incoming light into usable electricity, among the best efficiencies reported anywhere for this kind of tech. Now, it is still a proof of concept. The receiver hasn't flown on a real aircraft yet, and the team, working with colleagues at Tsinghua University, still needs to work out how to track a moving drone with a laser beam safely and reliably. Laser-powered drones aren't a brand new idea. American company Powerlight Technologies, formerly Lasermotive, kept a drone airborne for 48 hours in a wind tunnel using laser power back in 2012. What's different here though is the approach. Earlier efforts largely focused on the materials themselves, while this team built and tested the whole integrated system, receiver, cooling and everything, on an actual drone wing. Han says it's a genuine first step towards what he calls refueling aircraft with light, potentially freeing drones that inspect forests, monitor disasters or deliver packages from ever needing to land just to swap a battery.